Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This week I will be creating a funky 70s inspired wall decor. For that I'll be using some wooden skewers and a few foam boards. I hope you like this project, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to like and share my video. So without further delay, let's get started. On a foam board, I drew a grid 4 squares across and 4 squares down. The side of each square is 5.5 inches long and squares are separated by 3/4 inch space. And then I cut out all the squares. There are 16 altogether. And here's the grid. I painted the grid to make it look like wood. On the back side of the grid, I applied some glue to stick paper. I have used drawing paper for this project. It is thicker than usual paper, but in my opinion, thicker paper works better for this project. Now you can see there are some drawings on the paper, but it doesn't matter. They will get hidden later. I cut out all the extra paper. The skewers that I have used are 12 inches long approximately, and I marked them at 5.5 inches, so I got 2 pieces from each skewer. Approximately I used 375 skewers. As you can see, I cut the skewers right on the mark. Now the fun part starts. I applied the glue on the square and then stuck skewers on it. I used very bright colors and painted some random shapes on each square. Wooden look for the frame was not my favorite, so I decided to paint it black. What do you guys think? Do you like black or wooden? Please let me know in the comments.
I applied glossy varnish on the whole picture. To make it sturdy, I stuck another foam board on the back of the wall decor. To give it a finished look, I made newspaper tubes, painted them gold, and stuck them on the sides of the wall decor. Here I stuck the rope on the back of the wall decor so we can hang it on the wall. And here's the finished wall decor. I had a lot of fun making it. I hope you like it and would like to try it.